So everything on Earth, basically everything, is made of atoms, and those atoms are made of neutrons and protons and electrons. Basically, the different amounts of protons and neutrons make and electrons make all the different atoms in Earth, and and electrons is a basic property, a basic particle, and that is in the neutron and proton. There is quarks, also basic. That are the basic different quarks make protons and neutrons, and so basically we are but everything on Earth is basically electrons and quarks basically. But also there are other particles. I'm not a particle physicist, but there is a table. I don't know how many, but this a table of basic particles like the photon, the gluon, the boson, the the Higgs particle. There are a lot of particles. I don't know if it's 12, but then there is the symmetric version of that particle. For example, for electron that is negative charge, there is a positron that is with a different charge, a positron, the opposite charge, and that makes antimatter. And so, but there are very few amounts on this universe, and also in Earth, very small amounts of antimatter. Scientists don't know why. Most antimatter, basically, there isn't any antimatter on the universe, and so and basically on Earth everything is atoms made of protons and neutrons and electrons, and protons and neutrons are basically made of quarks, but also there are other particles on this universe. This is matter, and then there is also in the universe uh, dark matter that we still don't know what it is. We know its effects on gravity, on rotation of galaxies, and in and the deformation of and the curvature of light that take to Earth with lensing or something like that. Dark matter, and there is another thing. This is dark energy that caused the expansion of the universe. So 4% of all content on the universe, only 4% basically is is normal matter. What do you think? The atoms, I don't know if it's photons also, but the atoms, all the basic particles. We think the matter is only 4%, and then there is dark matter. I don't know the exact number. It's a small percentage, maybe 24%. I don't know. If it is more, I don't know the number. And then you can easily ask ChatGPT or Gemini. And then there is um, dark energy that is the most of the universe. Because the universe is mostly empty space. However, it seems like there is a lot of matter, but in fact, there is a lot empty space in the universe, and the little energy that is for square inch makes a lot of difference when it's a big area, and that in fact then makes dark energy um, the most part of the energy content of this universe. However, in my opinion, um, if the dark energy is just one particle and dark matter is just one particle, then most of the particles, in a way, are most normal matter in types of particles and energy. But in total amount, in quantity, then matter is in quantity. Then matter is just only 4% of the things that exist on the observable universe. The universe you can see. Uh, but it also because there is probably more more universe than we can see probably, and maybe there is a multiverse and a multiverse and even a multiverse of multiverses. We just don't know. But my point firstly was saying that everything on earth is made of atoms. You and me and every animal and every life on earth, humans, I'm gonna say humans and every animal, we are all made of atoms. And since we are on earth, everything also is made of atoms. I cannot say it in reverse order because everything on earth is made of atoms. We humans are also made of atoms because we are in earth on earth. So everything is made of atoms, quarks, neutrons, and electrons, basically. However, there is also, but also there is matter, that is neutrinos coming from the sun. I think it's trillions of them. I don't know the exact number, but in 1 square inch, there's like billions, something like that. It's enormous amount of of particles, and I don't know exactly the number, but I know there's many. But also that belongs to type of that is that this is that neutrinos is also matter, is classified as matter. Um, and so basically everything on earth is matter. However, since we are on space, the earth is on space, we may also be going through dark matter. And for example, right now could be passing in your body or nearby you dark matter particles. And also there is the expansion of the space-time, that is the expansion of the universe. And so everything on earth is made of atoms. Just want to share this idea or these ideas that is basic in nowadays. Just want to share my understanding of it and just saying it, and also just uh, practicing my English on these topics. Thank you for listening, and thank you.